Welcome to DJ TV.
My correct people, we greet you now. Welcome now once again to DJ MTV. Yes, so my people, update will carry come this time around now about waiting up last week when Governor Sanwo-Olu take on arrest some persons wey they come dey fly one way with bike for inside Lagos. So now say one particular one for inside wey say na soldier when they won't carry and call it say I be soldier or thinking say that one will make them leave am. Una know say that one no even touch no even touch governor say if you be soldier na him go even make us arrest you pass and take carry and throw am for inside motor. After that incident some people as in soldiers come dey come out online different faces, so they come dey send some kind insult to Sanwo-Olu. They talk different things, say you no get right to arrest soldier, this and that. So not be small thing even different people. One particular one for inside na the male soldiers, they don't agree say na one of them. Right now so they talk, so many people they don't arrest am. They don't arrest am based on that video where he do the insult and governor of Lagos State Sanwo-Olu. And people, I don't go talk too much. I'll upload on this video now. When I watch, when I listen to the chief of army staff what he talk concerning this matter about the insult and the arrest wey don make so far for the soldier wey be say he dey insult Sanwo-Olu online. Make una watch and make una no forget to like and share. Watch the video, my people.
I want to say that the soldier that was apprehended by the governor of Lagos State while flying on a one-way does not represent the Nigerian army, because but in every respect it contravenes what we stand for, which is discipline as an army, and it contravenes the constitution and the laws of Lagos. And so we frown at that as the army. But for what you allege that soldiers have gone to the social media casting aspersion on the person and the office of the governor of Lagos State, I would say it's only one soldier that has done that. The army has investigated, that soldier has been apprehended, and we are investigating for every other comic acts that you have seen on social media. They are not personnel of the Nigerian army. We have investigated that. From the mode of the dressing of some of them, you will know that they are not personnel of the Nigerian army. One of them was wearing the cap badge upside down, and you will know that that is not a personnel of the Nigerian army. An officer can never do that. So we have investigated some of them, and from the utterances that these people made, you will know the angle from which they are talking from. They were talking politics, not army. So we will leave it at that. For the ones that pertain to the army, we are investigating. It will be treated accordingly. Even this morning, as I arrived in Enugu, the chief of administration army sent me a draft directive that he was sending down to all formations and units of the Nigerian army to further sensitize our troops on the need to be disciplined and abide with the laws of every community where they are deployed. So we are serious about upholding laws, upholding rules, and remaining disciplined, and we will enforce that on our personnel.
Yes, so my people, how now see this whole matter? Now here we're seeing the chief of army staff talk concerning this whole matter. How now reason this whole matter? How now see my people? Because we not gonna know again, don't they talk say the soldier wey Sanwo-Olu arrest say no be they represent Nigeria army, but now soldier it be. Anyway, my people, the updates will carry on this time around for now. Be this one, I drop on a comment and I'll send a reason and make sure don't forget to like and share. And I'll do well. See you all in our next video. DJ MTV. DJ